check! It's English O'Clock! Ang pag-aaral ng English upang madaling matutunan, bakit hindi natin simplihan? Halika! Manood at makinig sa English Teacher ni Juan!
Kung bago ka pa lang sa channel na to, huwag kang matakot. I made learning English easy for you. Please like, comment, and subscribe. At pakishare mo na rin sa iba para marami pang mga Juan na gaya mo ang matuto. Hello everyone! Welcome back sa ating channel. I hope you can still remember me, your English teacher at your service. Kamusta ang lahat? We are now on the third quarter of this school year. We are halfway there kaya simulan na natin. Our first lesson for this quarter is about using correct and appropriate multimedia resources. The target most essential learning competency for this video is using correct and appropriate multimedia resources when orally giving information, instructions, making explanations, and narrating events in personal and factual accounts. We can do a lot of things online nowadays. We can't imagine life without an internet anymore since halos lahat na ay nakadepende rito mula sa trabaho, pag-aaral at kahit sa negosyo. But I know students primarily use the internet to study and to be entertained as well. Madalas, pinipili natin na magbasa at manood upang matuto ng dapat o gustong matutunan. Ang daming infographics, articles, tutorial videos na pwedeng pagpilian at mga YouTube channels na pwedeng puntahan na nagpapakita ng iba't ibang uri ng materials depende sa kung anong content ang kaya nitong i-offer. It could be entertainment, educational shows, historical, financial literacy, political, and a lot more. Nagagawa natin ito lahat syempre sa tulong ng computer. Now, how can we relate computer to our topic multimedia? Magkakaroon ba ng multimedia kung walang computer? Let's define this term first. What is multimedia? Multimedia is the field concerned with the computer-controlled integration of text, graphics, drawings, still and moving images or video, animation, audio, and any other media where every type of information can be represented, stored, transmitted, and processed digitally. The word multimedia comes from two Latin roots, multi and media. Multi meaning several or many, and media meaning in the middle. This multimedia definition tells us that materials on the internet or in your business presentations involve several forms of communication to connect, that is, to be in the middle of the sender and receiver. As any multimedia developer knows, a multimedia system consists of at least two and perhaps all of the following types of communication. As any multimedia developer knows, a multimedia system consists of at least two and perhaps all of the following types of communication. Number 1. Text materials. Text is an important component used in many multimedia applications. They are characters that are used to create words, sentences, and paragraphs. Text is good at providing basic information. It is the simplest and often the most effective way to get one's message across. Text takes us back to how the internet started, as a means of sending written messages back and forth between researchers. Text is still a primary way to transmit information. Some examples of this are e-books, digital newspapers, blogs. Number 2. Photographs and other still images. Illustrations are perhaps the oldest form of media, harking back at least as far as the prehistoric paintings on cave walls, found in various locations around the world. Gutenberg's printing press in the 1400s enabled mass distribution of multimedia works containing both text and images. The growth of electronic communications has meant that older text-only forms of communication could be enhanced with photographs and images as well. Small images such as thumbnails or icons are often used as a visual entry point to larger images or more detailed information. Text and images, sometimes combined in a single form, as many software programs make it easy to create text art, a form of lettering that combines a strong visual element as well. Number 3. Audio files. Your website or presentation can add sound, from a musical background to a spoken explanation, by including audio files. Even digital cameras, a quintessentially image-based technology, have been engineered these days to record sound as well. Many sound files are compressed, which reduces the file size without greatly sacrificing sound quality. Compressed files require less storage space and stream faster when sent over the internet or transmitted to local systems. 4. Video presentations. Video presents moving pictures and typically combines images and sound for a compelling multimedia experience. Of course, videos can include text as well, which often appears as captioning for spoken words or as text in an image, as in the case of a slide presentation. Video files are some of the most memory-intensive multimedia applications, but clever streaming methods makes their use practical in everyday use. Number 5. GIFs and other forms of animation. Animated files occupy a middle ground between still images and video. GIFs, which is an abbreviation for graphic image files, in particular, are small files that present a single image or rapidly display a sequence of a few images to give the appearance of motion. Infographic. Infographic is a visual image such as a chart or diagram used to represent information or data. Examples of this are tables, bar graphs, or charts. For example, you want to know the number of sales of a company in a year. You can use a line graph. Tip: common file types include text only or TXT, text with other elements, doc, docx, PDF, images, JPG, PNG, TIF, BMP, audio, MP3, WAV, WMA, video, AVI, WMV, FLV, MOV, MP4, animation, GIF, FLV. Advantages of multimedia. It is very user-friendly. It doesn't take much energy out of the user, in the sense that you can sit and watch the presentation, you can read the text and hear the audio. It is multisensorial. It uses a lot of the user's senses while making use of multimedia. For example, hearing, seeing, and talking. It is integrated and interactive. All the different mediums are integrated through the digitization process. Interactivity is heightened the possibility of easy feedback. It is flexible. Being digital, this media can easily be changed to fit different situations and audiences. It can be used for a wide variety of audiences, ranging from one person to a whole group. Disadvantages of multimedia. Information overload. Because it is so easy to use, it can contain too much information at once. It takes time to compile. Even though it is flexible, it takes time to put the original draft together. It can be expensive. Multimedia makes use of a wide range of resources, which can cost you a large amount of money. Too much makes it unpractical. Large files like video and audio has an effect of the time it takes for your presentation to load. Adding too much can mean that you have to use a larger computer to store the files.
So did you learn something today? Sure ako na hindi ka na nosebleed. If you want more of this video tutorial and learn English in a light speed, huwag kalimutang mag-subscribe at i-turn on ang notification button para updated ka sa mga bagong lessons. Ako ang teacher mo, ang English teacher ni Juan. Class dismissed! See ya!